Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the raw data file import to create a new project. So this is useful if you want to share FieldGenius projects with all of the information associated with that project between devices. So for instance, if I want to take a project that is on a P9 Windows Mobile Data Collector and bring it onto my Windows 10 desktop. So to do that, what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a project open and I'm going to create a new project. So if I go into my main menu, my project manager, and then select new project, I can give it a name here, and let me just call this import raw. And then I'm going to hit project settings here, the middle option. And you can see here that I've got several options. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure your units and scale and coordinate system all jive with that previous project. So in my project settings here, what I'm going to want to make sure is that my coordinate system matches that of my existing project, the one that I am bringing in. So in this case, I use UTM Zone 11 and the ellipsoidal WGS 84. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit OK here to set my coordinate system. And then I'm going to go into my project files menu here. And what I'm going to need to do is choose an active raw file. So right now you can see that I have an import raw.raw file, and that is the name of the file that that is being created for this brand new project. But I don't want to be using that. I want to be using a different one. So what I'm going to do is select the copy existing, and then I'm going to navigate to where I have my other one here. In this case, it's called an Oneida United Church.raw file. So I'm going to make sure that one is my existing raw file. And there's one last thing I'm going to want to make sure of, and it's that I'm using the same automap library. So what I'm going to do is it's going to hit where it says use template there. I'm going to hit the three dots and then choose that survey.csv from that same project folder. And then once I hit OK here, it's going to ask me if I want to copy the raw file and generate points from the new observation records. I'm going to hit yes to generate those, and I'm going to overwrite any existing ones as I had nothing in this project anyway. And when I hit OK here, you're going to see that it's going to load my raw file, scan the records. And if I go to my map screen here, you can see that I have brought in all these points with their descriptions, point IDs, and everything that was associated with them in that original project. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything on our YouTube channel, whether that be about FieldGenius or the Hemisphere S631, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.